I'm Ron from Kolleno, the Suite app built to streamline the chasing, collecting, and reconciling of your NetSuite SuiteBilling invoices. In these tutorials, we'll cover how to view the Billings-to-Date report for your subscriptions. So first we will go to Reports, Subscriptions, Billings-to-Date. So each line in the reports will contain the customer associated with each billed subscription. It will contain the subscription plan and subscriptions to have the details of the plan and specific subscription. Obviously, you can customize that report as you wish. Please remember that if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more SuiteBilling tips. It displays the month-to-month on the right of bill amount up to the current billing cycle. The credit memos are included in the months they were created, and future billing cycles are projected as of the latest transactions. That report really helps you track real-time charges, keeping your billing management seamless. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more.